Well, I'm out here in this beautiful forest because I'm bird watching. Yes, I am watching birds. That's absolutely wonderful. Well, what is going on right now, you may ask yourself? Do I not need stealth when bird watching? Well, of course you do. But sometimes the birds fly away, and if you're quick enough, you can follow them without any binoculars, only spectacles. And that is absolutely wonderful, I think. Yes, follow the birds and see where they go, and then you are bird watching without any binoculars. Wonderful, wonderful indeed. Yes, yes. Well, so that is what I'm doing. It got away. The bird got away. Sorry, the bird got away. Yes.